Farming is ever evolving. Today, when we think about what's to come next, the key question is, how do we produce food and still maintain a livelihood for farmers while respecting the needs of other organisms with which we share the land? Sometimes we overlook the wild organisms. These have value in their own right, and they help produce food by pollinating crops, controlling insects, liberating soil nutrients, and more. Across the country, and importantly here in the Hudson Valley, many growers work within a food system that does not explicitly encourage or reward farming practices that value biodiversity. Recent biodiversity declines can be partially attributed to the impacts of farming, such as habitat loss, fragmentation and degradation, pesticide-related plant and animal mortality, and the effects of a changing climate on wildlife, plants, soil life, and water quality. Here at the Farm Hub, we've been studying the land's biodiversity for the past few years in an attempt to honor and repair the land while producing food, to explore how agriculture and wildlife can coexist. We call this collaboration Farmscape Ecology.